Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. It's been fun making drink recipes for the past couple of months, but I am missing making food. So for this month of recipes, since August continues to remain the most popular birth month, we'll be doing our 4th round of August Appetizers, where we'll be making another 4 more different types of appetizers for you to make for any statistically likely party that you will be having this month. For this episode, we will be making some charred corn ribs. For this recipe, you will need 4 to 5 ears of fresh corn, 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter or olive oil, 1 teaspoon of chili powder or smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of cayenne, and if you wish you can serve this with some dipping sauces, such as some lime crema, which you can make with half a cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream, the juice and zest of 1 lime, some salt, and a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, or some sweet and spicy chili mayo, which you can make with a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, or half to a teaspoon of sriracha or hot sauce. Then for garnish, you will also need some limes, some cotija or feta cheese, and some fresh cilantro or green onions. This will make about 32 to 40 corn ribs, so adjust as needed. First we'll preheat the oven, so set it to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Or if you want to grill them, heat a grill to medium heat. While we wait for that, we'll prepare the ingredients. So for the corn, shuck them if needed. Then wash the cobs well to remove any silky threads. Then cut each ear of corn in half crosswise, and then stand each half upright and carefully cut it lengthwise into 2 to 4 pieces, depending on how thick you want the ribs. Next for the butter, melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so. Then mix the melted butter with the chili powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and cayenne if using. Also, line a baking sheet with parchment paper at this time as well if you're baking them. Once your oven or grill is heated up, arrange the corn ribs in a single layer on the baking sheet or on the grill, and brush the butter mixture generously over all sides of the corn ribs. Then roast these for 20 to 25 minutes, or on the grill for about 8 to 12 minutes, flipping them about halfway until the edges are charred and the kernels are tender. While the corn cooks, we can make the dips. So for the lime crema, stir together the yogurt or sour cream, lime juice, salt, and garlic powder until smooth, and you can also mix in some lime zest as well. Similarly, for the sweet and spicy chili mayo, mix together the mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, and sriracha until well combined. When the corn ribs are done, squeeze some lime over the top and sprinkle them with some crumbled cheese and chopped cilantro or green onion. Serve these warm with both dips on the side, along with some extra lime wedges if desired. And with that, your charred corn ribs are ready to eat. I've been wanting to make a recipe that uses fresh corn for a while now, since it's at its peak season right now, and I've been wanting to try corn ribs as well. So, since I had a housewarming party this week, I figured that these would be a great appetizer to make. For the party, I actually ended up showing up a few hours late, but by the end of the night, the entire tray was still gone. People were going back for seconds and thirds, and some even enjoyed them without any sauce at all. This recipe is quite simple to make, with really only the difficult part being the cutting of the cob into sections. The sweet corn pairs well with the salty butter and spices, and the charred edges give it that nice hint of smoke. Plus with the sauces, this appetizer is quite the crowd pleaser. Speaking of, the sauces are completely optional, but I think they do add some extra contrast and flavor if you do use them. Both come together in just a couple of minutes while the corn is in the oven, so it doesn't even take any extra time to make. And if you end up with any leftover sauce, it's good on tacos, grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or pretty much anything else you use dipping sauces with. You can also switch up the seasoning if you want, such as using a Cajun rub, taco seasoning, or just using something simple like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Similarly for the dips, you can use pre-made ones instead, such as ranch, barbecue sauce, or garlic aioli. But regardless of what sauce or rub you use, this fun low-effort appetizer is a great way to make a whole lot of delicious finger food with fresh summer produce. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel.
It's cold!